Lima Tango, you're in sight, wind 190 at 8, gust 16, runway 20, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 20, TBM 940 Lima Tango.
Santana 26,
Okay,
after you get to
power set.
Stampede, are you familiar with Boca Reservoir?
I'm familiar with Boca.
Speed's alive.
Santana 26, roger, 2 reservoirs between you and the interstate. It's the smaller one to the east.
70 knots
Let me know when you
cross
see it.
jet.
There's IFR traffic departing towards Stampede.
And we got a Boca site, Santana 26.
Here comes
Santana
our
26,
rotating.
roger, you can start your right turn now.
That'll be a
Go to
rotation
Boca.
there.
I'll have a turn back to the airport sooner than Boca after the Citation gets airborne.
All right, roger, we'll turn towards Boca and expect to turn back, Santana 26.
Here comes our speed. Flaps going up. Here comes our right hand turn.
Citation 1 Mike Bravo, traffic over the truck intersection south, or correction, eastbound. Will pass off your right is a Pilatus descending out of 10,000.
1 Mike Bravo, roger.
Citation 1 Mike Bravo, contact Oakland Center 127.905, see ya.
Alright, 2795, have a great day.
You as well, sir.
Hello, departure 971 Mike Bravo with you out of 7,000 for 13,320 on the heading.
Over 971 Mike Bravo, Oakland Center, track altimeter 3024, will be picking up on the radar shortly.
1 Mike Bravo.
Oakland Center, Meridian 698 Whiskey Alpha, flight level 240.
Number 698 Whiskey Alpha, Oakland Center, roger. November 905 Tango, climb 18, follow 230, will be final today.
We're now cleared up to flight level 230, call stream 1895 Tango.
Okay, here we go.
You got
Landing light off, please. Sluggish at that density altitude, isn't it?
a little bit. Didn't jump up, but it got up there. Probably feel a lot of it.
Yeah.
November 971 Mike Bravo, radar contact over truck intersection. Say altitude, stand by for higher.
Yeah, we're at 10,001 to 13,000 Mike Bravo.
And Oakland, call stream 1895 Tango.
Skywest 5332, climb 18, follow 230.
Flight level 230, Skywest 5332.
905 Tango, go ahead.
Yeah, 1895 Tango. Oaks has got a restriction between 320 and 240. 23 still works for you?
November 905 Tango, you can disregard that restriction. Can you accept level 230 all the way in?
Affirmative, we can accept the flight level 230 restriction taken out from Oaks.
A little bumpy over the...
Over these mountains.
November 905 Tango, they'll just have probably for you cross the Oaks at 23, 10% via after that.
Perfect. I appreciate the help. 1895 Tango.
Yeah. Okay, that's the takeoff. We'll see how it looks here shortly.